rich and very I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall teach everyone courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in the well-being and prosperity alone in the life and happiness.